We are here today to discuss the virtual ostomy clinic and how we are here to help patients. Jenny, how do ostomates get started?
Getting started is easy. Patients simply visit ostomy.org/clinic and click Get Started. From there, they'll enter some basic information about themselves, share details about their ostomy and what kind of help they're looking for, review and sign the patient agreement, and complete payment by credit card. Once that's done, their enrollment comes straight to our team.
How soon should a patient expect to hear from a nurse?
An ostomy nurse should reach out within 2 business days. If they do not hear from anyone, they can call the UOAA. Typically, it's just an issue with their email address or their phone number, and we can help fix that. Occasionally, there's a payment or technical issue, but we're happy to help sort that out.
Are nurses available around the clock?
Our ostomy nurses are available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Time. Patients are welcome to send messages anytime, evenings or weekends, and will respond the next business day.
What's included once someone enrolls?
The program lasts 30 days and includes unlimited texting or emailing, plus 2 30-minute telehealth visits with an ostomy nurse. If a patient feels they need more time after the initial 30 days, they'll have the option to sign up for an additional 30-day period.
Who is this program for?
It's really for anyone with an ostomy. Some patients are brand new and looking for reassurance. Others have had their ostomy for years and want updated pouching advice or help with skin irritation or leaks. We meet patients where they are.
What happens during a telehealth visit?
Patients connect with us through Zoom using their phone, tablet, or computer. They do need to have the Zoom app installed on their device, but they do not need a Zoom account. They can simply click the link and join as a guest, which makes it very easy. During the visit, we may ask patients to remove their pouch so we can see the skin and assess the fit. It helps to have supplies ready like they would during a normal pouch change. If removing the pouch isn't comfortable at that time, patients can also send photos for us to review.
How can we help with supplies?
We assess the stoma and we will recommend supplies along with supply order numbers. It is still up to the ostomate to place the order through their medical supply company and get the updated prescription from their doctor. We can also place a sample order for them.
And before we wrap up, can you share a few examples of how this program has helped patients?
Of course, we've worked with patients who were struggling with ongoing leaks and finally found a pouching system that felt secure again. Others told us their skin healed after years of irritation once we adjusted their routine. We've even had longtime ostomates say they learned something new that made daily life easier. Hearing patients say they feel more confident and less stressed is one of the best parts of this program.
Thank you for walking us through this virtual ostomy clinic.
You're very welcome. We're honored to support ostomates with personalized care, encouragement, and expert guidance right from home.